Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Azai bin Muhammad Asri.
My name is Arlan Subramaniam.
My name is Fauzan Hanafi bin Muhammad Fazli.
My name is Nauli Sengaja Mohan.
Today we will present about free body diagram representation from actual structure.
This is the machine we are presenting, which is a backhoe tractor. This is the main structure of the machine, and we will take two parts from the structure, which is the arm part and the bucket part. This is the bucket part and this is the arm part.
So this is our idealized model, and we label A, W1, B and W2.
Equation for structure 1, we have sum of Fy is equal to 0, Ay minus with W1 minus By is equal to 0, and the sum of Fx is equal to 0 is Ax minus Bx and equal to 0. The equation for structure 2, sum of Fy is equal to 0, By minus with W2 is equal to 0, and sum of Fx is equal to 0 and Bx is equal to 0 too. Equation for the overall is sum of Fy is equal to 0 and Ay minus W1, W2 and is equal to 0. Sum of Fx is equal to 0 too and Ax is equal to 0.
So guys, I will show the calculation for this structure. So from the equation for overall, we get sum of Fy is equal to 0, and then Ay minus W1 minus W2 equal to 0. And we assume the mass of the arm, which is W1, and the bucket, which is W2, is 750 and 500 kilogram respectively. Then we sub to the equation, which is the formula for weight is mass times the gravity. So Ay minus 750 times 9.81 and minus 500 times 9.81. Then we get Ay equals to 12262.5 Newton. And then for the sum of Fx equal to 0, we get Ax is equal to 0.